You are 34 years old. You're sitting at your desk, refreshing your bank account for the third time today, watching $4,127 sit there like a dead fish. You did the math last night. At this rate, you LLB 67 before you can stop working, maybe 70. Your back already hurts. Your boss is 12 years younger than you, and somewhere in the back of your skull, there is this quiet, creeping terror that you're going to spend your entire conscious life trading hours for money until your body gives out. Here is what nobody tells you. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because someone sold you a retirement timeline that was designed to keep you working, and you bought it. My name is Wolf, and I spent years studying why most people stay financially trapped. Not because they're stupid, but because the entire system is built to make the exit door invisible. What I'm about to show you is the math that banks, employers, and every financial guru conveniently forgets to mention. If you're watching this, hit subscribe because I'm about to piss off a lot of people who profit from your confusion. Let's start with the bullshit you've been fed. The traditional retirement plan: save 10% of your income, invest in your 401k, retire at 65. Sounds reasonable, right? Here is what that actually looks like. You earn $4,000 a month, you save $400. After 10 years of discipline, sacrifice, and saying no to like every vacation your friends took, you got $77,000. Congratulations. You can almost buy a mid-tier pickup truck. That is not retirement. That is a down payment on disappointment. And here is the thing that makes me genuinely angry. The system is designed to make those first years feel pointless. You save, you invest, you check your account, and the number barely moves. You're doing everything right. And it feels like pushing a boulder up a hill while everyone around you is taking Ubers to brunch. So what happens? You quit. You decide, this doesn't work for people like me. You tell yourself you'll start again when you earn more. Spoiler alert, you won't. Because here is the dirty little secret about wealth building. The early years aren't supposed to feel rewarding. That is not a bug, it is a feature. You're not the investor yet. You're still the engine. Every single dollar that grows in your account came from your labor, your discipline, your sweat. There is no momentum. There is no compounding. There is just you grinding, feeling like an idiot while everyone else seems to be enjoying their lives. And that feeling, that is exactly where most people tap out, right before the tipping point, right before the math actually starts working in their favor. Let me show you what I mean with one simple tool. It is called the Rule of 72, and it is basically the cheat code that wealthy people have been using for centuries, while telling you to just budget better. Here is how it works. Take 72, divide it by your annual return. That is how many years it takes for your money to double. At a 10% return, which is the historical average for index funds, your money doubles every 7.2 years. Let that sink in. $50,000 becomes $100,000 in 7 years. $100,000 becomes $200,000 in 14 years. $200,000 becomes $400,000 in 21 years. You're not adding more money. The money is multiplying itself. Now, here's where most people screw themselves. They wait. They say, I'll start investing when I'm making more. They delay for 5 years, 10 years. And every year you wait. You're not just losing that money, you're losing an entire doubling cycle. Miss one cycle, and you've cut your potential wealth in half. Miss two, and you are looking at retirement at 70 instead of 50. Time is the only resource you cannot earn back, and you're bleeding it. Let me give you a real scenario. Two people, both 30 years old. Person A invests $50,000 today. Person B waits 7 years and then invests $50,000. Same amount, same returns, but here is the punchline. At age 58, Person A has $800,000. Person B, $400,000. That 7-year delay cost them $400,000. That is not an exaggeration. That is not fuzzy math. That is the actual cost of I'll start later. And the really sick part, nobody in your life has any incentive to tell you this. Your employer wants you dependent on your paycheck. Your bank wants you taking out loans. The financial media wants you scared and clicking. The entire economic machine runs on you staying confused, staying scared, and staying in the workforce until you physically can't anymore. You are the product, your labor is the commodity, and your retirement. That is their problem to delay as long as possible. So what actually works? Here is the framework that nobody talks about, and it is stupidly simple. 2 words: offense and defense. Offense is how much money you can pour into your investment engine. Defense is how much of that money you don't let leak back out into lifestyle bullshit. Let us break this down. You earn $4,000 a month. Standard advice says save 10% or $400. That is $4,800 a year. In 10 years with compound growth, UV got roughly $77,000. Now imagine you play offense. You learn a skill, you get a promotion, you build a side income. Your monthly earnings go from $4,000 to $10,000. But here is the key. You don't upgrade your lifestyle. You keep living on $3,600 a month. The same crappy apartment, the same 2015 Honda, the same grocery budget. Difference, $6,400 every single month goes straight into investments. After 10 years, you are looking at $1.2 million. Same decade, same effort, but instead of $77,000, UV got over $1 million. The only difference is you understood that every raise, every bonus, every new income stream is a soldier. And you have two choices. Send that soldier to build your freedom, or let lifestyle creep send them home before they do a damn thing. Most people choose the second option. They get a raise and immediately upgrade their car. They get a bonus and book a vacation. They treat every windfall as permission to spend, and then they wonder why they still working at 60. Here is the defense strategy that actually works. For the next 12 months, every single time your income increases, raise, bonus, side hustle, you don't touch it. It doesn't hit your spending account. It goes directly, automatically into your investment portfolio. That is it. That is the whole secret. Your lifestyle stays frozen. Your investment engine accelerates, and the gap between your earnings and your spending becomes pure, uncut financial freedom fuel. Now, let's talk about what you're actually building, because throwing money into the market isn't a strategy. It is gambling with extra steps. You need a 3-layer system. Think of it like this. Layer 1, growth. This is your engine. Broad index funds, growth stocks. This is what beats inflation and actually builds wealth over time. Without this, your money is just slowly dying in a savings account, earning 0.5%, while inflation eats 3% of your purchasing power every year. Congratulations, your money is getting poorer while it sits there. Layer 2, income. This is your fuel. REITs, dividend stocks, rental properties. These pay you whether the market goes up or down. When you hit financial independence, this is what covers your expenses without forcing you to sell your growth assets at the worst possible time. Layer 3, stability. This is your breaks, treasury bonds, high yield savings, maybe a small gold position. These aren't sexy. They're not going to make you rich, but when the market drops 30%, and it will, this layer keeps you from panicking, selling everything at the bottom, and destroying years of progress in one emotional decision. Growth builds, income sustains, stability protects. Remove any one of these, and you're driving a car with no brakes, no gas, or no engine. Good luck with that. And here is the part everyone forgets. Even after you hit financial independence, even after your investments are paying your bills, you keep reinvesting 10 to 20% of that passive income. Why? Because inflation doesn't stop, because the world keeps getting more expensive. Because the point isn't to hit a number and coast. The point is to build a machine that runs forever. So let me ask you something, and I want you to actually think about this. How many doubling cycles can you fit into the next 10 years? If you start today with $50,000, you could see one full cycle doubling to $100,000. Start with $100,000 and you are looking at $200,000. But if you wait 3 years to figure things out, you're cutting that cycle short. You're losing time. And time is the one thing you can never buy back. The wealthy understand this. That is why they start early, stay consistent, and never let lifestyle creep eat their progress. They know that freedom isn't about how much you earn. It is about how much you keep and how long you let it compound. You, on the other hand, are probably still wondering if you can afford to invest. Let me be blunt. You can't afford not to. Every month you delay is a soldier you're sending home. Every lifestyle upgrade is a year added to your working life. Every excuse is a vote for the 45-year career plan that will chew you up and spit you out with a bad back and a 401k that can cover your medical bills. The system isn't going to save you. Your employer isn't going to save you. The government sure as hell isn't going to save you. You have one option: build the machine yourself. Start today. Calculate your monthly investable amount. Commit to 12 months of freezing your lifestyle while your income grows. Set up the 3-layer portfolio and let the math do what it has been doing for centuries. Turn time into money and money into freedom. Because here is the real question that matters. Do you want to spend the next 30 years working for someone else? S-dream. Or do you want to spend the next 10 years building something that works while you sleep? The clock is already running. The only question is whether you're going to use it or let it use you. Stop trading your life for a paycheck, start building the machine, and maybe, just maybe, you'll look back at this moment as the day you finally woke up. The money doesn't care about your feelings, it only cares about time, and yours is running out.